Hey guys, welcome back. It's another day, it's another auto amateur video. In this video, I'm going with my friend Mario to check out a place in Lakeville, Minnesota to see about getting our cars wrapped. Let's go check it out. Hey guys, so I just got back from Print Lab Wraps in Lakeville, Minnesota, and they've given me some swatches to check out. This is 3M wrap film, and it's pretty exciting. There are so many colors to choose from. So I'm gonna hold them up in front of my car and see what I like. I've always liked the Miami blue and the gecko kind of lizard green, I think it is, the GT3s come in. I'm pretty excited. Let's go check out the colors. So here's one my friend Richie at Events from Cars picked out for me. This one is called Satin Key West. And it's sort of it's a really light kind of blue, kind of aquamarine. Let's see if we can pick this up with the camera, okay. Yeah, that's one option. I also like this one called Glossy Sky Blue. And then there's a green color as well. Either light green or this apple green color. I don't know. So much to choose from. And then there are some like really funky kind of black colors with patterns on. I'm not going anywhere near those. You can get gloss finishes, you can get flat finishes. I think this is the one Mario is gonna go for, I think, which is this slate blue metallic, something like this. Maybe not be that exact one, but it's something kind of like this color. But maybe an orange. Can a ginger drive around in an orange car? I'm not sure that's appropriate. But yeah, I do like the green, and I really like this light colored blue, or one of these three blues. Yeah, so what do you reckon, guys? Should I go for a wrap on my car? Mario and I have just checked out Print Lab Wraps in Lakeville, Minnesota, and that's a really cool little setup. They've got a really big shop for what is a pretty small front of the building. You know, it's like the TARDIS. You go in there and there's a little area to sit around, and you open up the door and there's this huge bay. And here's Mario nailing past me. So yeah, I mean, I thought about a wrap when I had my 997 and ultimately didn't take it anywhere. and spent my time putting on the wing and the front bumper and so on. But Mario suggested this, and I have to say I really like the idea. The question is what color? This could be a great opportunity to try out like that Miami blue kind of color, or the lizard green that the GT3s come in. It's so exciting. Now, if I take care of the wrap, apparently I can get a good 5 years or more out of it. If I, and you know, I'm not leaving my car parked out in the sun all the time. I'm not driving it every day. It's not my daily driver. So, but you know, even if the wrap does last 5 years, am I going to keep this car 5 years? My previous, you know, I've had 3 911s in 3 years now. So, I mean, how long am I going to keep this 991? I'm not sure. But even if the wrap lasts a couple of years, I can try and sell it with the wrap on if it's a cool color and it's sort of in line with the Porsche color scheme. Or I can take it off and go back to, you know, my agate gray or agate gray, whatever it is now. But it's nice to think about. So the shop are going to work up a quote for Mario and I. We're going to talk about it some more at our Porsche and Pancakes meetup tomorrow. And I'm now going to go back and put all of the different color swatches in front of my car to see which one I like. So it's fun to think about, if nothing else. Anyway, thanks for liking and subscribing to my videos. More videos to come before the snow hits. Tomorrow we've got another Porsche and Pancakes meetup. We've got another drive, this time on the southwest side of the Twin Cities. And who knows, maybe I'm going to be making a wrap video, not like a rap video, you know what I mean, a car wrapping video in the next few days. Who knows? All right, stay tuned. See you soon. Bye.